In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the scan to computer setup. So we have to connect this printer with the wireless network of the home. Click on the menu, scroll up and look for the settings. Then select network, select Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi setup wizard, start, select your wireless network and click next to enter its password. On this screen, click here, enter the Wi-Fi password. Once you enter the password, click on the keypad icon and then submit the password. Click OK to confirm. Connection is successful. Press OK. Click on the home button and click on the scan. Scroll down and select scan to computer. It will give you the list of computers that are already connected with your printer, and in case it doesn't say the name of your laptop or computer, that means you have to do the setup. Click on the computer not listed, click on the print. So it's going to print a setup page, and that will give you the instructions how to complete the setup process. We have to go to the website, that is www.hp.com/hpscan, and we have to download the HP Universal Scan software. Before that, click on the home button. Now go to the web browser and download the software. You can simply type www.hp.com/hpscan. Scroll down. Look for HP Universal Scan software and driver download. So this is the universal software we need to download. Automatically it will display the operating system, that is Windows 10. So if you have any other, it should display here. Scroll down, download this recommended software. So click on the download and do the complete setup. So click here. So that is the file. Open it. So it's going to extract some, close all the windows. Click yes. Click continue. Select the wireless method, that is the first. If you want to use it with any other method, you can select accordingly. So we are just going to use the first option, wireless option, and then click on the next. So it will display the list of printers that are connected. Select your printer and click on the next. So device is installed, click on the finish. And now we can do the scan to computer. To locate this software, we can go to the search section, type in HP scan. So it will open a HP scan window that will display all the information. So that is the HP scan window. So I'm just going to close it. Let's test it. So I'm just going to use the ADF tray to scan these two pages. We have to click on the scan, scroll up and click on the scan to computer. It should display your computer name. You have to select it. Select if you want to save it as a PDF or JPEG and then hit the green button. Automatically the scan is transferred. You will see there is a window that is open on the laptop. On this window we have to give a name to our file, so you can give any name, for example HP, and click on the save, and then it will open those folders. Now you can double click on it and that's the scanned item. So both pages are scanned here. So this way we can do the scan to computer setup, and then we can start using this printer. Thanks for watching.